AI is not going to make you a better trader. And if you use it that way, it might actually make you worse. Because the problem is not that you don't have tools. The problem is you are trading assumptions, not data. And that's where AI actually helps. Right now, everyone is talking about AI in trading. New tools, new ideas, new edges. But most people are using it the wrong way. They want AI to tell them what to trade. That's not the point. AI is not here to replace your edge. It's here to support it. It helps you check something very simple. Are you right or just guessing? Let me give you an example. You see your setup, you see your entry, you are ready to take the trade. Now, now imagine you also know this. At this time of the day, in this type of market, price goes your way 70% of the time. Will you feel more confident? Probably. Not because AI told you what to do, but because you now have data. And this is where most traders fail. They don't trade data, they trade beliefs. Gaps always fill, breakouts always continue, this setup always works. You heard this before, but have you actually tested them? Or are you just repeating them? Because if you haven't tested them, you are not trading a system, you are trading a story. And stories break under pressure. This is where AI fits into your process, not at the execution level, at the data level. Execution gives you data. Data shows patterns, and patterns build your playbook. AI just helps you do this faster. It helps you test ideas, find patterns, confirm what actually works. So instead of asking, what should I trade? Ask this, what have I actually proven? Because once something is proven, execution becomes easier. Less doubt, less hesitation, more consistency. AI is not your edge. Your edge is execution. AI just helps you remove doubt by replacing opinions with data. And that's the difference between guessing and performing.